this eighth experiment to configure and verify the RIP and next generations routing protocols in the IPv6 network using Cisco packet traces, enabling dynamic routing between the multiple IPv6 networks. We have used two routers, two switches, and the four PCs to configure this configurations for this experiment. And the IPv6 is the latest versions of the Internet protocols designed to replace IPv4. It provides a larger address space and improved network performance. It is the distance vector routing protocols, which means it selects the best path based on the number of hops between the the networks. The maximum hop count allowed is 15 hops. If the hops count becomes 16, the destination is considered unreachable. Now coming to how the RIP works successfully. The routers sends routing updates periodically to the multicast address like FF02 9. These updates contains the IPv6 network's address and the hop counts. In this experiment, two routers connects for the PCs, and we have used the command like which was based upon the 20,764 subnet. The two routers connects PCs using the IPv6 address. For examples, we can use we are using as PCs. First PC0 we have using a 2000 dot 1 semicolon of 2. So the IP address of the version 6 will be structured like this. And the first enabling the IPv6 routing, then assigning the IP6 address in the router interface. So we have used the command like interface, the normal command, instead of IPv4. Here we have to use the IPv6 to add 2000.3 semicolon to /64, and also we are interfacing the FA1 by 0. For the second router, we have used these IP address to configure it, and the PCs were assigned like this IP address and the default gateway, and the link local address were configured like this. At last, for the verification, we have used the command like show IPv6 protocols and the show IPv6 protocols in the router 1 and the router 2. We can check in this. The giving enable, giving show IPv6 interface brief. We can able to see this. The same command we can give on the router 1 also. Enable show IPv6 interface brief. In two routers we have verified the IPv6 interface, and to verify RIP ping database, we have to give like show IPv6 RIP database. This command shows the networks learned through the RIP ping, and to display the routing we have to give us command like ping semicolon 2. We can get a reply from it. This command checks the communications between the PCs. Thus, the IPv6 address was successfully assigned and the RIP pin routing tables were uploaded, and the routers exchange routing information on the PC also have been successfully communicated with each other. Thus, the RIP next generation's routing protocols were successfully configured both routers to enable dynamic routers between the IPv6 networks. Thank you.